this video, we will be answering a question regarding domains and asymptotes. So this is part of analytic geometry. So this will be quite a short lang problem. Okay? So find the domain and all asymptotes of the following function. Y is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 1 all over 4x squared minus 9. So we should know what the domain and what asymptotes are. Okay, so a domain is, this is the set of possible x values for our function. So, sa mga pwede nga x values sa kaning atong function given this function. And then the asymptotes, these are the equation of the line na it represents the zeros of the denominator of the function, and this is a line nga approaching, it's the line where our function, the curve of our function approaches but really never touches or never cross. Okay? So most likely related na silang to because meron ni siya og domain kadalagi sa mga possible x values, and si asymptotes is kanang unsay mga values sa x nga dili pwede or like dili na to pwede magamit ani nga function because it would make the function undefined because dili man siya mo-cross anang certain nga x values. Okay? To do this, to find the domain and asymptotes of a rational function, all we need to do is we need to identify what values of x nga mahimong zero atong denominator because that is the saman munang value sa x or munay if ever ma-zero ang atong denominator sa ating atong function, ibutang na to og value sa x na nga ma-zero siya, and that would make this function undefined or that would wala gina siya. Meron siya og ma-represent sa zero sa ato ang denominator. So, parang nagtagtayok na akong storya, doing this, we just need to extract kung saan na siya ato na sa denominator na to, and that's 4. Diba? That's 4x squared minus 9. So, we need, okay, kabatig-agi. So, unsa man nga value sa x nga mahimong 0 ang denominator. Mo ni ato ang likayan. Mo ni atong likayan most likely. So, to do this, we'll equate our denominator to 0. So, 4x squared minus 9, that gives us 4x squared is equal to positive 9. X squared is equal to 9 over 4, and then x is equal to positive negative square root of 9 over 4. That is, kuan, di ba? Ganang 3 halves. Excuse me sa ha. Yeah, that's 3 halves. You sure good eh? So that's positive 3 over 2, and pwede sa siyag negative 3 over 2. So, these are the values of x na kung atong gamiton sa atong equation, ang atong denominator mahimong 0. Okay? Which would make the equation undefined. So, ang atong domain ay ani, the domain of this function sa may pwede, possible nga mga x, possible nga mga x values, is everything basta dili lang positive 3 halves or negative 3 halves. So, our domain, or we can write it as x, should not be equal to 3 halves or negative 3 halves because this, kani nga mga value, mahimo mag-zero at yung denominator ma. Dayon, muna siya. And then, ang asymptotes, ma-represent mo na siya sa zeros of the function. So, muna siya ang at lines nga wherein our x is 3 halves. So, kana siya nga line, muna siya ang asymptotes at ang curve. Like, for example, this, kani siya, if ato na siyang i-graph, it would roughly look like, wait lang. Verify lang ako. Something like, mura siya o, siya, nagdara, ay, joke. Asya, nagdara, or siya ginana siya forma i-graph na to. Okay? I just used a graphic calculator to visualize this one. Yeah. So something like that. And ang vertical asymptote, so muna siya ang murag line din vertical asymptotes. So, di ba, for example, muna siya ang line nga 3, x is equal to 3 halves. So, that line represents nga dili siya matandog ang ato ang graph or the graph of our equation or the function at that part. Okay? So, the same with the x is equal to negative 3 halves. So, the asymptotes or vertical asymptotes is the line x equals 3 halves and the line x equals negative 3 halves. So, related na ni si domain o si asymptotes. Okay? So, something like that. Maybe we should, if you need to really dig deeper sa formal explanation about asymptotes and domain, so we need to review past few knowledge about analytical geometry. But if we only need to more task lang to determine the domain, determine the equation of the asymptote. So, as simple as we need to identify the zeros of the denominator of the function, but that will give us the values of x na likayan. First, para malimbawa na itong ang domain is anything mga values x basta dili lang 3 halves or dili negative 3 halves. Sample din siya nga equation. Dayon ang sa equation sa ato ang asymptotes is ito siya. It represents the zeros of the denominator function. It gives us x is equal to 3 halves and align din ha, example, and then x is equal to negative 3 halves. Those were the values of x na dili matouch sa ato ang graph sa ato ang function. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.